It's been roughly, I think, 2 years now since I've caught my first striper. That is an experience I'll never forget. 2 days of just straight blitzing and mayhem. Yeah, my first striped bass experience was magical to say the least. Some would call it once in a lifetime.
I'm on. Double.
I'd have to agree.
Wow, look at this. Definitely the biggest fish of the day.
Matter of fact, it was in this very barn that I'm in right now, in which I was preparing for those 2 days of mayhem, striper mayhem. But I've returned. I'm on the outskirts of Boss right now. I'm getting some lures, some gear rigged up. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've done this. Striped bass have left impression on me ever since I first targeted them, and I can't believe it's taken me this long to come back to that origin point. I feel like I'm way more prepared this time than last time, so I'm extremely excited. My expectations are low. I don't foresee me catching the same amount of fish as we did in the last outing, but regardless, even if I have a sliver of a chance of getting, you know, a big striper tomorrow, that is enough to get me going. So without further ado, I'm gonna wrap up this tackle sesh, and I will catch you guys on the Cape bright and breezy tomorrow morning. Gotta wear a mask to go in the tackle store. It's worth it.
Oh my god, dude. You're so mad. Thank you.
Sweet. Hey, you guys have a good one. I'll throw you back this season.
Alright.
Take care. Not really seeing anything hopping yet. Worth a look though. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. Keep throwing, boys. They're here. I think they're using live bait though. These guys are tiny. We'll give us like 5 more minutes. How did you not just get? Oh, that's all. He just flashed. There we go. Little guy.
And a big top?
No, just a big jerk bait. Right there to your left, they're going. Another one right there. These ones are the ones, look at hooks in your hand. Right there, right there, right there. Okay, have fun. Here comes the nursery. Here comes the nursery. Why couldn't these be like actually decent striper? Because this would be a lot of fun. Where are these big dogs at? A little nursery. Oh, you're just getting, it's like 4 fish right behind you. Tons. Damn, if these were big, this would be a lot of fun. At least if these were at least like mid-20s, this would be a lot of fun. This would be a good start. Yeah, you just got eaten. These guys are tiny. This ain't it. Oh, oh! Little one.
I gotta go.
It's actually not that bad. Oh, it's 2! I have 2 of them on.
Oh, no.
2 bluefish. It's a striper and a bluefish. That's crazy. Oh, the striper just came off. Got the bluefish. Son of a bitch. It was a striper and a bluefish. The striper was not that bad.
That would have been a good start to the video.
We're gonna keep fishing. That was a good sign though. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Just getting ready to pop some bait, maybe. Oh, right there, right in front of us, right in front. Oh my God, right in front of us.
Josh, come on.
Like right in front of us, like right in front of us. Putting us on spot lock here. Those were big fish. Or that thing right in front of us was huge. Did you get hit?
I don't know.
There's nothing down there, so probably got hit.
I just had a bunch of slack on and I just like hit anything that fell.
Probably a striper. On?
Who was that?
You on? Are you on? Oh, blow up right there. I feel like we're smack dab in the middle of like where these fish are at. Do you see the fish at all or no? Yeah, right there. Oh my
boys, these are big fish. These are big fish. Come on, turn on, turn on, turn on, turn on. Let's go, come on, come on, let's go. Oh my God, another one, right to your left, Cole. Right to your left.
Work on it.
I'm going fishing with Geriatric Parrot today. There we go, good one. There we go, boys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's the one we're after.
Oh, there's more.
There's more. Throw, you guys gotta keep fishing. This is a good one. Welcome to Cape Cod, baby. Yeah, this is a good fish. Get out there, boys. Oh my God. We are doing a little bit of striper fish. I'm gonna try to keep this guy on. I don't know how big he is. He's probably high 20s at least. This is the first good bite of the day. We heard that this spot is gonna be productive. We launched the low and there's another one bust right. This is about to get stupid. The overcast came through and the tide is switching. Just welcome back, guys. This is gonna be a good day. Oh my God, it's a big one. It's a good fish. Ah, I got him. That is a tank, yeah. Get the net, yeah.
Yep. Oh, stud.
Stud. First striper and it's a stud.
Oh my gosh.
Hell yeah. Get him in the net. Put his head in the net. There you go.
Oh, easy, get that net.
We're on spot lock. Boys, keep casting. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! So we just skipped the intro today. Alex and I were talking. Alex edits the videos, films it and edits, and we were just thinking like, let's just skip the intro. Let's get straight to action. First spot of the day, an absolute tanker striper. These fish are making their migration up north, basically kind of where I live in Maine right now. And we're trying to catch them out of this little bay. Driving the boat, looked at side scan, we're like, holy, there's fish everywhere, like big marks. Stopped here, as soon as we stopped, fish started busting. I threw in there and got a ginormous striper. Let's go put it there, Al. Yes, sir. This is some no joke stuff, a 9-inch topwater spook. Definitely some big stuff for big fish. There we have it. Cole's just cheesing in the back. Cole and I and Perrick too, we all love big striper, and to come here on the Cape where it's basically arguably the mecca for these fish is just a treat. It's a rarity. And they get bigger, and this is only probably like a 20 pounder, maybe a little bit less, high teens. Gorgeous fish, first one. Let's go crank some more. Oh my God, wow, a lot bigger than I thought. In the water, they look so huge. They look so big. Badass fish, man. One of my favorite fish on earth. See you later, sister. Welcome to Cape Cod. They're still here. Oh my God, right there. No, right there, right there. Oh my God, boys. They're like literally around the boat right now. Another one to the left. Another one to the left. Oh yeah, I want army. Oh my God, here we go, here we go, here we go. Go right there. Oh my God, let's go, boys. Just got smoked. Nice one.
Oh, he fouled it all the way.
Keep going, keep going.
Holy cow. Dude, that fish was
Oh, on me?
Yeah.
Oh, on me?
All the way to the boat.
I was not
There's a
paying-
wake.
Oh yeah, you're right. Big dog?
That was sick. That thing was giant.
Oh wow, that's gone.
It's floating.
Gotta get that. One right there, just busted. Mark this spot real quick. Press a mark.
Overhand casting. 30.
That's fine. Why aren't they committing? Watch this, watch this. Where you at? There he is. See him right there? They're not committing. Like I just got back on the horn of this topwater, and boom, sure enough, there's Timmy. What the hell? Try the little spook, yeah. Try something just different. Because like I'm getting them to come in, but I'm not getting them to fully commit. Like I'm looking back, I'm shocked I even had that one to eat. I want one to like, I want them to suck it down. I don't even want to swipe. I want to just go little spook. Oh, look at that one right behind me. Yep. Jesus, two of them. Two fish, probably over 30 pounds a piece. Followed my spook in. Why aren't they committing? You striper guys probably know the answer right now. Drop a comment. Just let me have it, you know? Just roast me. I, for some reason, cannot get these guys to go. I'm changing up my cadence. I'm doing the stop and start. I'm working it fast. I'm burning it. I'm working it slow. I mean, this is what they want, I feel like, but at the same time, they just won't open up for it. They're just kind of doing a little window shopping right now. I don't know why they're doing window shopping. They need to just seal the deal. Pull that credit card out and swipe. But there's another one right behind it. Let's see. Yep. Nope, not on that one. We're definitely in the right spot, though. That's at least a good sign. It's just good to know there's bigs around. There he is.
Oh my gosh.
Like, dude, there was probably 4 fish right there. Did you see all the ones that were following me? I'm just gonna put it on spot lock. I think we're in a decent spot here. Just had 4 fish following my spook. Apparently none of them have mouths. This is cool. I like this.
What is happening right now?
Oh my gosh. Yep. Slow. I was moving it slow.
It's gotta be sober roll down.
Oh, there's one. Come on. Slap at it again. Slow as a deal. Dude. Yo, oh my god, yes! No. Just give him pressure.
He had it, dude.
He did have it.
Kind of right behind the boat a little bit. Right up there.
To the right? Yeah.
Right this way.
Seriously, is there a lot?
Yeah.
Something's got to get these fish to turn. Oh, one right behind me. Look at that one right there. There we go, boys. Okay, that was a good one too. Okay, we're back on it. Folks, we had a bit of a lull there. I feel like I always do in these fishing videos. Like, I think you guys probably think we just hammer fish all the time, but Alex is a wizard at cutting up clips and making it seem like we're just on a saucy bite. But yeah, I'll admit, lull. Caught that one big striper and then haven't even gotten a hook up since then. A lot of followers, like I said. Just then we had our first follower in probably an hour. It's a good sign. As long as you're seeing fish, you're in the running. We just need one of these big dogs to commit. Oh, another one right behind me. Oh my! That was huge! That was huge! Oh my god, that was really big. Holy nut! That was a donk. Oh, one right behind me. Yep, chasing it. See that wake? I can see him. See him? There's 2 of them. Someone's got to try something we have not thrown yet. Something is not right. Like, we have no problem finding them today. Like, I'm pretty proud of our effort. Just get them to open up. It's just not it. There's no reason for them to snap. Why would they? We'll go get that later. Really realizing how lucky I got with that one. Like, imagine if I missed all 3 bites today. I would be not in a good place right now. What are we working with here?
That's a negative, Jonathan.
Negative. Ghost Rider.
I don't know exactly what happened today, but there was a 1-hour sequence where these fish were just going insane. And yeah, they're kind of like my mind all the time, insane. And then they just kind of disappeared, kind of like me on YouTube. They just disappear, and hopefully they come back. Hey, you want to end up in the water right now?
No, but I was thinking maybe you were.
I will fight you. I will fight you.
He says, I will fight you.
What happens with John and myself is when we don't get any fish, we always end up getting very good food. So that is the plan. We're gonna get some very good seafood to kind of make this day turn around. John got a big one. Cole and I, not so much, but the ramp's right there. Let's get the boat out of the water and smack some grub.
Today was a perfect example as to why I miss this place so much. Although we didn't get that many striper, we had just an awesome day. And it was cool to bring, you know, Peric and Cole down to a place they'd never been to before and have them experience one of my favorite destinations. If not in the United States, probably period, like on earth. The food's good, the people are awesome. The fishing is, as you guys probably know, top notch. Striper's one of my favorite fish on earth, so getting to see those guys again was just so epic. And hopefully tomorrow we can find some fish. But before I close today's video, I just want to show you guys some of the lures that we were throwing today. Just take a look. So the one kill of today came on this giant spook. And to put in perspective, here's a full-size Poland Spring water bottle. The lure I was throwing was bigger in this water bottle. Some small spooks, which Cole was throwing. And then we've also got some like little jerk baits. It seemed like, at least from my perspective, that these fish were more keyed in on the bigger presentation. I've heard from a lot of people that they're feeding on big bunker right now. Bunker is kind of like a large shad. They're huge. So that's why that big 9-inch got the big chew of the day. It was pretty much the only memorable catch of the session, but hopefully tomorrow we can hit it hard and try to find some fish. I just want to close today's video out after that meal, which you guys probably got some B-roll of. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate the view. Don't forget to like it, subscribe if you enjoyed the epi, and we'll see you guys later. Take care, peace, and as always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.
So we're fishing here. We got a convergence of a couple major rivers, some pretty big herring runs in them. We're out here tossing these big topwater plugs that look like maybe a wounded pogie or a wounded squid, and they just can't resist it. They gotta smash them.
I've never seen so many giant striper come in and follow our baits. It was honestly hard to watch, but at the same time, it was insane.